Hey there, this is Mark with Axiom Armor. This is the demonstration video of how to operate the ScreenFilm machine and apply the ScreenFilm to a device. You'll notice that this process is typically less than a couple minutes, but in this demonstration, we're probably going to be about 5 minutes here. So without further ado, let's get going. So the first thing you want to do with the machine is lower the rear lever in order to raise the roller so you can put the ScreenFilm in the machine. Next, you're going to grab your ScreenFilm blank. Make sure that the Axiom Armor logo is facing the LCD display as shown for the phone size cuts. And then you want to go ahead and line it up with that black line right on front and then raise the back lever. So now you're ready to cut your ScreenFilm. Just grab your smartphone, load up the app, and you'll notice there are a bunch of different options of cuts here. So you'll see that there are phones, tablets, AirPods, watches, some handheld game systems, things like that. So for this purpose, we're going to go ahead and cut for the full face phone. So you'll notice there are a large amount of manufacturers in here, including all the popular ones, and some more obscure brands are in here as well. Thousands of cuts. So for this purpose, we are going to scroll back up here and choose Samsung. After you select the manufacturer, it'll ask you which model you want to cut for. There are, again, a large amount of models associated with each manufacturer. So in some cases, you might just want to search the device out. So in this case, we're going to choose S8. It'll bring up all the S8 series, including the S8, S8 Active, and S8 Plus. So after you load the desired model, click the Send button. That'll send the job to the cutter. So you'll notice it springs into action, cutting out the ScreenFilm for the desired model. It will also make cutouts to allow for earpiece speakers, home buttons, and other items that are associated with the phone that a film might interfere with. At this point, go ahead and remove any of the unwanted ScreenFilm pieces that were cut out. So now you want to extract the ScreenFilm product out of the backing paper, starting with the long edge. And now you're ready for the application. Go ahead and place your pre-cleaned device on the included application mat. The application mat will hold the device still and allow for a smooth application. At this point, go ahead and grab the ScreenFilm you just cut in the prior step. You'll notice that one side is tacky and one side is glossy. Go ahead and place the tacky side down. That's the alignment layer. It's a very forgiving layer just in case you place it down wrong and have to lift it back up. The alignment layer also acts as a dust removing layer because it grabs small dust particles that may have been left behind. You'll notice also that we use a dry application. So instead of using the liquid, we have the alignment layer. You'll see why in just a minute. So once you get it positioned the way you want it, go ahead and secure it in the middle and pick up 50% of the ScreenFilm and just swipe with the squeegee just as shown. It's really just that simple. Pull the other 50% up and just repeat the process. So now just take your finger, running it along the edges and working from the inside out to secure the edge of the ScreenFilm to the device. ScreenFilm works on any curved displays such as Samsung, as well as in-screen fingerprint readers. Go ahead and take your squeegee and just work out the remainder of the bubbles that might be in the ScreenFilm, and continue just working the edges until everything is pressed down normally. Don't worry about the clear glossy coating because that comes off right about now. And there you have it. So unlike liquid applications, this is a crystal clear, instantly cured ScreenFilm application, ready for your customer's case. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a good one. So with just one SKU for phones and one SKU for tablets, you're able to offer all of your customers protection for the device on demand. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Email info@axiomarmor.com or you can call us at 540-215-8444. Thanks so much for watching.